Imagine unlocking a wellspring of creativity within you just by mastering the art of mindfulness. Welcome to our journey into the mind's untapped potential, where mindfulness isn't just a practice, it's a pathway to revolutionary ideas and boundless creativity. Today, we are diving into how mindfulness not only enhances your mental clarity, but also sets the stage for explosive creative thinking. By reducing stress and clearing mental clutter, mindfulness practices allow you to access deeper levels of thought, make unexpected connections, and explore new ideas more freely. Whether you are an artist, a writer, a musician, or anyone looking to enrich your creative life, mindfulness offers the tool to open wide the gates to your imagination. Stay with us as we uncover the practical steps you can take to integrate mindfulness into your daily routine, boosting your creativity and transforming the way you think and create. Are you ready to unleash your creative potential? Let's begin. Creativity is the ability to generate new ideas, solve problems in novel ways, or create artworks that evoke emotions and thought. It's essential across all disciplines, powering innovation and artistic expression alike. Yet, even the most creative minds encounters barriers. Common obstacles include stress, which tightens our mental focus too narrowly, fear of failure, which stifles our willingness to experiment, and mental clutter, where the noise of daily life drowns out our creative thoughts. Each of these can shut down our creative flow, leaving us feeling stuck and uninspired. Now, let's talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice of being present and fully engaged with whatever we are doing at the moment, free from distraction or judgment, with a soft and open mind. By practicing mindfulness, we can clear the mental clutter that stifles creativity. This clarity allows us to confront and manage our fears more constructively and reduces the stress that can block our creative energies. Through mindfulness, we learn to observe our passing thoughts and feelings without getting caught up in them. This practice gives us the space to creatively think, to let our minds wander in a structured way, exploring new ideas and imaginative scenarios without pressure or prejudice. Understanding and harnessing the synergy between mindfulness and creativity opens a world of possibilities. It not only enhances our creative abilities, but also improves our overall well-being, making our journey through both life and art not only more productive, but also more enjoyable. To harness the full potential of your creativity, integrating mindfulness into your daily routine can be transformative. Let's explore 3 key mindfulness techniques that are particularly effective for enhancing creativity. Number 1, mindful breathing. First, we have mindful breathing. This simple yet powerful practice involves focusing on your breath while letting go of distracting thoughts. As you breathe deeply, imagine each inhale drawing in fresh creative energy and each exhale releasing mental blockages. This process not only calms your mind, but also prepares it to be more open and receptive to innovative ideas. Number 2, mindful observation. Next is the mindful observation. This practice enhances your attention to detail, a crucial skill for creativity. Spend time observing your surroundings with intent. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures around you. Whether it's the intricate design of a leaf or the vibrant hues of a sunset, mindful observation can deepen your appreciation for the world's beauty, feeding into your creative processes. Number 3, mindful listening. Lastly, we explore mindful listening. This technique involves fully concentrating on the sounds you hear, be it music, natural noises, or human voices. Listening mindfully helps you tune into subtle undertones and overtones, fostering a greater integration of diverse ideas and perspectives that can spark creativity. By practicing these mindfulness techniques regularly, you create a fertile ground for your creativity to flourish. Mindful breathing clears the mind. Mindful observation sharpens your perceptions. And mindful listening broadens your conceptual horizons. Together, they form a robust toolkit for anyone looking to enhance their creative output. Integrating mindfulness into your daily creative routine can transform the ordinary into a wellspring of innovation. Let's explore practical ways to infuse your creative process with mindfulness, starting with how you set up your workspace. Creating a mindfulness-based creative workspace begins with simplicity and comfort. Design your space to reduce clutter and distractions. Incorporate elements of nature such as plants or a window with a view. These features not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also bring a sense of calm and focus. Ensure your workspace has comfortable seatings and good lightings, which are essentials for maintaining focus and energy. To weave mindfulness into your creative sessions, start by allocating a few minutes for mindful breathing before you begin working. This helps clear your mind and prime it for a flow of ideas. During breaks, engage in mindful observation or listening, depending on your environment. These practices not only refresh your mind, but can also inspire and infuse your creative work with new insights. Make mindfulness a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Schedule short, regular intervals, perhaps every hour, to practice quick mindfulness exercises. These breaks are not just pauses, they are opportunities to reset your creative focus and prevent burnout. The consistency of mindfulness practice not only enhances creativity but also improves mental resilience. By thoughtfully designing your workspace and integrating mindfulness techniques into your routine, you set the stage for creativity to flourish. Remember, a mindful approach to creativity isn't about adding more to your day, it's about cultivating depth and quality in your work, making each moment count. Let's explore how mindfulness has transformed creativity in diverse fields through the real-world examples and case studies. These stories not only inspire, but also demonstrate practical applications of the mindfulness techniques we've discussed. Number 1. The arts. Visual artist overcomes creative blocks. Meet Maya, a visual artist who struggled with creative blocks for months. After incorporating mindful breathing and observation into her daily routine, Maya found new inspiration in everyday objects and scenes, which she translated into a celebrated abstract art series. Her story shows how mindfulness can unlock new perspective and rejuvenate artistic expression. Number 2. Science. Researcher enhances problem-solving abilities. Dr. Liam, a biomedical researcher, faced a complex problem that stymied his team for weeks. By regularly engaging in mindful walking, Liam cleared his mental clutter, which eventually led to a breakthrough in his research approach, significantly advancing his project. This example highlights how mindfulness can aid scientific innovation and complex problem solving. Number 3. Business. Executive boosts team creativity. Sophia, a tech executive, noticed her team's creativity was waning under tight deadlines and high stress. She introduced weekly team-based mindfulness practices focused on mindful listening and observation. The result was a more collaborative and innovative team atmosphere, leading to a 30% increase in project innovation scores. These cases from the arts, sciences, and business sectors show that no matter the field, mindfulness can profoundly impact creativity and productivity. By allowing ourselves to step back, breathe, and observe, we open up a world of creative potential that can lead to personal and professional breakthroughs. To keep your creative juices flowing and ensure a steady stream of innovation, integrating small, daily mindfulness habits into your routine is key. let's explore some simple practices that can make a big difference in maintaining your creative edge. Number 1, start your day mindfully. Begin each day with a mindful moment. Spend the first 5 minutes in meditation, focusing on your breath or setting intentions for the day. This practice clears your mind and primes it for a day filled with creative thinking. Number 2, mindful breaks. Incorporate mindful breaks throughout your day. Every hour, pause for a minute or two to simply breathe deeply or observe your surroundings without judgment. These breaks reduce mental fatigue and refresh your perspective, keeping your mind open to new ideas. Number 3, mindful meals. Turn meals into mindful experiences. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and fully engage with the process of eating. Mindful eating not only enhances your sensory experiences, but also helps in reducing stress, which is crucial for creative health. Number 4, end-of-day reflection. Conclude your day with a reflective practice. Spend a few minutes journaling about what you created that day or any new ideas that came to mind. Reflecting not only consolidates your thoughts, but also celebrates your daily creative achievements. Consistency in these practices builds a strong foundation for creativity. By making mindfulness a routine part of your day, you ensure that your creative faculties are nurtured and ready to tackle any challenge or project that comes your way. Embrace these habits and watch as your creativity flourishes more naturally and more vibrantly than ever before. As we conclude our journey through enhancing creativity with mindfulness, let's recap the transformative techniques we've explored today. From mindful breathing and observation to integrating these practices into your daily routines, each step is designed to unlock your creative potential. Remember, the key to enhancing creativity is consistency and presence. I encourage you to start with 1 or 2 mindfulness practices we discussed. Whether it's beginning your day with meditation or taking mindful breaks, observe how these small changes impact your creativity and general well-being. Mindfulness isn't just a tool for relaxation, it's a pathway to unlocking profound creative insights. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which mindfulness techniques are you excited to try? Do you have experiences with mindfulness boosting your creativity that you would like to share? Please leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Your insights enrich our community and inspire others. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content designed to enhance your creative and mindful life. Don't forget to check out our comprehensive mindfulness playlist for more techniques and tips. The link is in the description and a pop-up at the top right of this video. Embrace mindfulness, enhance your creativity, and transform your daily experiences into extraordinary ones. Thank you for watching and keep creating. Much love.